For sure I am going to tell you how I think of you. I'm going to write you right now about what I feel. Wait, no way, I can't. I'm just too shy to let you know for now, but I might just explode for not telling. It's just too much. It would be splendid if it can be just done in 1, 2, 3. Please tell me where I stand. All the important things that I have to do are being stalled all because of you on my mind. So right here, what can I do? I'll stay bullet. How did this happen at all? They were light and small. The feelings I have now, even more than that. And for some odd reason now, they will go through. La la la, bye bye.